Hello, hello, Finance Technology Help. Today, I will be showing you how to install certain stuff that are web browser only apps. I've shown you on my Magnetic Face channel, I think, how to install YouTube. Yes, I have. As I shall be showing you again how to install YouTube. I'll also be showing you how to install YouTube Studio. First one is YouTube. Obviously, we want to install YouTube, don't we? I'm just gonna do something. Check I'm logged in correctly, so I'm blocking the screen so you don't see my password or my login email address. Okay, so here is Google. Yeah, this works only on Google Chrome, from what I know. I'm gonna go youtube.com. You go to youtube.com. You need to let it load up. I'm going off my phone hotspot. My internet's not that good. So yeah, as you can see right here, YouTube is loading up. You want to go to the side here, where it has customize controls and default phone and stuff. You go to more tools, create shortcut, open a window and call it whatever you like. I'll just call it YouTube, because then it's easier to remember. Once you've done that, we'll open it up straight away. Okay, so here we go. It's opened it up straight away, and there's a new icon on the home page. Here we have YouTube. There's that off. Go back to Google. Now to show you how to install YouTube Studio. Pretty simple, similar way, but I'll show you anyway. Because it just makes sense, you know. There are different ways on different browsers. This one I'm showing you how to do it on Google Chrome. Because obviously I'm using Windows 7 and this one is the default browsers on Google Chrome. Now, yeah. Isn't it loading? One sec. Let me just make some fast manager. One sec. Okay, so it's not actually wanting to open up for me today right now. Don't know why. So if you keep seeing OBS pop up, that's because I keep checking on the time and stuff. But don't worry, this tutorial does work on anything that is running Google Chrome. So that could be Windows, Mac, Linux if you can. It only works on laptops and computers. It doesn't work on mobile. But then you can actually download the proper app for mobile. So yeah, for iPhone, if you use Safari and you go add to home screen, it'll open up in the browser most of the time. And why is this not opening? Seriously. New task. Studio.youtube.com. That's it. youtube.com. Let's start with youtube.com. Is this working? Let's try Google Chrome again. You would have technical difficulties in the Magnetic Technology Help video. Not me. Right. Isn't what amazing? Oh, the fan's off. Let's see something. After all. Okay. I think okay. It's this first. I'm going to do something until it opens. Okay, I'm back. So don't know why when the Google Chrome isn't opening. I'm gonna try and open it. See that opens completely fine. Opening Chrome. There we go. Now it's opened in Chrome. You can see here it's opened in Chrome. Okay. YT studio.youtube.com. Perfect, you know. Yeah, so as you can see, I made videos and stuff, and yeah. 13. Come on. By the way, if you're not already subscribed, then please go and subscribe. That will really help out and will help me make more videos. Okay, so as you can see, we are on YouTube Studio, literally. So go there, more tools, so 3 dots, more tools, hit shortcut, YouTube, yeah. Make sure every time, make sure open as window is checked, or else it will open in the browser. Now, it will open itself. Oh, this will go back to normal, and this here will be completely open in the browser, in its own window. Why is this turn off? Whatever. Okay, so pretty much that is it, and yeah, if you go here, for example, you can go yeah, you may wanna subscribe, because I bet most of you are not subscribed. That, that's normal with me. So anyway, hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share with your friends, leave a comment. See you later. Goodbye.